guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cleanup not showing issue on iPhone. After unlocking your iPhone, open the Settings app. Check your current iOS version in Settings. The cleanup feature requires a newer version of iOS, so make sure your device is running iOS 18 or later. If your software is outdated, some features may not appear. Now check your iPhone model from the Device Information section. The cleanup feature is only available on supported newer iPhone models. If your device does not meet the hardware requirements, the feature may not be available even with the latest iOS version. If your iPhone is compatible and fully updated, restart the device. A simple restart can clear temporary system glitches and refresh feature availability. After the reboot, check again in the Photos app or relevant settings where the cleanup feature should appear. If the feature is still missing, go to Software Update and install the latest available iOS version. New updates often include bug fixes and feature improvements that can resolve missing options. Once the update is complete, check again for the cleanup feature. And that's how you can easily fix the cleanup not showing issue on iPhone step by step. Once completed, the feature should appear if your device meets the required software and hardware requirements. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.